without a passport? I don't know.
Ταυτότητα.
Let me call you in half an hour and I will say to you. But tell me. Yeah. But just tell me if she has a passport, will you go? If she no. Yeah, if she's allowed to go, you will go or not? Yeah, because look, if you decide that you want to go, I will call. You know, I will learn if you can or not. Okay, so I'm coming. You decide, and then we'll learn if you can or not. Okay? Okay. Bye bye. Okay. Bye. Так, ты меня что, снимаешь на видео?
Ага. Семейная будет потом внукам показывать.
Чай уже, чай уже пахнет турецким.